Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy a S&P 500 index fund from Fidelity. Now if you don't have an account already, go to fidelity.com and you can come here and create an account with them. Okay, go to accounts and trade and you can create an account from this section. Once you click on any of these, it will prompt you. So what you need to do is open up an investment account. Okay, you can go ahead and do a brokerage account as well. There's more account options. You can go and check those out. And we also have the IRA option. So what I suggest is doing one of these, especially this one, the brokerage, the Fidelity account. I would suggest you go for that. Now, once you have your account, you log in and then come here at the top left. You see here it says trade. Go ahead and click on trade. And then I want you to change this to mutual funds. And you can choose, for example, this one right here, one of the popular options, or any other popular S&P 500 option like the FXAIX. That's Fidelity's own index fund, as you can see right here. And change the action to go ahead and buy, enter the amount. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and place your order to buy. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.